Hello family, hello everyone. So it's your girl Thea. Today we're gonna make yam porridge a la Thea. So that is our big yam. Look at this yam. The yam is so big. The yam is so big, and I hope that it's also good. You see that it is. Then the other ingredient that I would like to show you, I have here meat. This is cow meat. I wash it already, and the way I'm washing my cow meat, I just put it put salt, then mix everything, then wash it very well. You see the way it's gorgeous. So that is my cow meat. Then I have dry fish also, and those are my other ingredients. This is parsley, and here we have ginger, I have onion, some garlic that I have also, and 2 big pepper. I will go with 2 onions, 2 big pepper. I have this tomato. I like this tomato so well. San Fabio, the mark is San Fabio, and I will use 2. You can also use fresh tomato, but those one are like also fresh tomato, you know, but just that they are in the box. Like you see the picture here is also like this inside the box. I'm using these tomatoes many years, since many years now. Then I will have this also. You know, if you are following me now, you know that I like this chicken pulver, very good. I love it. I always use it. So then I also have other my ingredient that you know already. Like what I will use today is white pepper, black pepper, this one paprika, and thymian. So those are the ones I will use today, and of course salt, a bit salt, and MAGY cube. So I like this MAGY cube. I always take it here. You can find it everywhere in Germany, railway, penny. You can find this one. Then for my yam puree, I will add some beans also, and especially white beans. What I will use also for my yam puree is red oil. I like this one, La Villageoise. I like it so much. Then I will use it for the cooking. So then let's just start. Now I'm gonna cut my yam. I need some kitchen paper. So right here I'm cooking the stomach, because the stomach, you know, cow stomach is always strong. Then I have to cook it before. That's why I'm cooking it already. You can see, very nice cooking. Then I will put it also in my yam puree. So let's just cut our yam, and I will cover this my wood so that the yam will not make it dirty. You see, this is our yam. Let's just cut it. So wow, the yam is very nice. It's good. I'm just gonna cut it small. So guys, that is our yam. I finished cutting everything. Now what I'm gonna do is just to remove the skin, then wash it, and the yam is very good. Look at this, and big. What can I tell you is this yam, I bought it 10 euros. 10 euros for this yam. Can you see? But it's also good. And then it's big. I can say that, okay, maybe the 10 euro are expensive, but it's worthy. So that it is. Then let me just remove the skin. I'm just gonna remove the skin like this. I just have to remove. It's very easy because yam Yam doesn't have big skin, you know. Just remove like this, small. Very good. Because we don't have to waste our yam, you know. Because yam is expensive, Yam is expensive in Europe. Then we just remove it like this. You see, yam doesn't even have big skin. Can you see this one? So look at this gorgeous yam. Oh, so now I'm just gonna remove everything, cut it, clean it, and show you later. Okay, show you when I'm finished. So now the stomach is done. I'm just gonna put it here and remove it because to make everything first I'm gonna cook meat, and I will use the same sauce because all of them are going in the same pot, you know. Then I'm gonna add just my cow meat in the same sauce. Yes. So I'm just gonna add some ingredients like this: paprika, pepper, and thymian. Then add some MAGY, and I'm gonna add this one too. So I cut everything. Like you can see, we have red paprika and green and onion, sparkly. Everything is here. We have the spring onion also. Then I will just go and put everything in the mixer. Add my tomatoes. So we're gonna just start cooking. That is my pot. Those are the condiments. I grind everything, yeah. So I'm just waiting for the oil. So now the oil is warm. I'm gonna add some onion. So the pot is so deep so that you cannot see inside the pot. I'm sorry that it is inside. So I'm gonna leave it now so that I can boil. So like the sauce is boiling, I'm gonna add yam. Then I'm gonna add fish, add stomach. I have to add beans also. The last one is this cow meat. Now we just gonna leave everything boil. Then when everything finish, I will come and show you the result. Hi guys, look at our yam purage. Look at the way it's just, everything is coming good out. Look at this. Wow, very nice. I will just leave it now like some minutes, then it's done. Hi guys, that is our yam purage. Everything is done. Look at it inside the pot. Look at the way it's gorgeous. Whoa. So I love the way everything just come out. Very nice, very gorgeous. So that is what I wanted to show for today cooking. Please just like the video, share it, comment, and tell me if you're gonna try this way of yam purage. That is way I'm doing my own. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.